Hi crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to make a batched thank you card set for a gift. I have a few new to me 3D embossing folders. I believe all three of these are relatively new from All to New. I'm obsessed with their 3D embossing folders. They're so dramatic and lovely, and they make for such quick and easy cards, as you're going to be able to see here today. Now, these are my folders. This is where I store colored paper scraps. I kind of have them sectioned off by color, and I find myself using my scraps a lot more with this method. So maybe this will work for you as well. But I was able to use up some colored cardstock and create this gift set batch. Now here's a photo of the finished cards. Do stick around to the end. You'll see how I make them, and I'll also show you, close-ups of all the cards individually. But basically, I'm going to cut these paper scraps or pieces of half sheets with this cool torn paper edge die that I got from Craft Stash. Now I will link all the products that I used below in the video description box. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those details, and if you do follow those links, it really does help me out at no additional cost to you, so I really appreciate that. Now I have various different thicknesses of this colored cardstock. Some is kind of relatively lightweight. That kind of lime green one I believe is like a white core, so it's a little bit thicker, probably 110 pounds. But I'm basically just going to use all three of these folders twice with these various different colors. And I did spritz the cardstock with some water just to really encourage those paper fibers to wrap around that dramatic embossing. So that's obviously an optional step. If you've done some ink blending, you want to do it on the back of your cardstock so you don't mess up your ink blending if you have any sort of water reactive ink. But again, optional step on whether you want to do that or not. So now I have all 6 panels ready to go, and I do attach those to card bases of 120-pound accent opaque cardstock. You can see here, these are US A2 size, so 4¼ inches by 5½. And now I'm just going to shop my sentiment book for various different thank you die cuts. I have these particular ones that were stamped and heat embossed and then die cut out. That one was like a metallic watercolor. I didn't end up using that one, but basically I'm just shopping through. Now this is my storage solution for sentiments. I have a lot of components ready to go in my crafty stash. It really allows me to batch, create, mass produce, do a bunch of things without having to slow down for every step of the process. So when I get new stamps or dies, I'll kind of just, dedicate some time, maybe watch a TV show or do it during, a movie with my family, and I'll just kind of either stamp and die cut or just die cut a bunch of them and put them in these little pockets. And these are baseball card pocket protector sheets. If I remember, I'll try and link the video below. I have done a relatively recent video regarding that system and kind of how I choose what I choose. Now this is one of my favorite recent things in my crafty stash. These are card bling packs from A Colorful Life Designs. You can see there are loads to choose from now, and I absolutely love going through all my cards and picking the one that matches it best, whether it's monochromatic, kind of like I'm doing here, or one that just kind of ties in the gold of a sentiment or something like that. I absolutely love all the variety and all the options that I have with this bling. Now these are like confetti style sequins, so they come in various different sizes in the little package, and there's no hole in them like traditional sequins. So it's such a fun option, and I do have a coupon, AmyFan10. So if you shop for anything at A Colorful Life Designs, whether it's stencils or stamps or these card bling, be sure to use my coupon at checkout, AmyFan10, and you'll save 10% on your complete order. And you can use that for everything in the shop except the Master Creator bundles of stencils. So loads of cool things in the shop. Be sure to check that out. That's a small woman-owned business in Texas, and you're definitely supporting a great chica if you buy from her. So here I'm just kind of flipping through again. I will link the colors that I chose in the video description box below so you know, because there's so many awesome colors in the shop. Now here I'm just going to show you the 6 finished cards. Now I didn't tell you the reason for this. I kind of made friends with a woman in my neighborhood. She's not new to the neighborhood, nor am I, but we recently kind of connected and have become friends, and sadly her daughter is dealing with stage 4 breast cancer. So it's horrifying and so sad. And she's been posting about all the various different things that people in the community have been doing to help her out. And I figured she could use some thank you cards. So I like to pop encouragement cards in her mailbox for her, but I gave her this batch as well so she can kind of send the love to other people in her circle. So thanks for spending time with me. I will catch you next time. Bye.